Today we want to show you a special camper and tell you about how its character was born. My name is Julia and you are on the Lifestyle Camper channel. Inspiration can come from anywhere, sometimes from the automotive industry, sometimes from architecture, and sometimes from the world of contemporary art and product design. That's exactly what happened this time. Recently, a Dutch distributor contacted us with an order and drew our attention to Arthur Bess's collection of designer chairs, which was exhibited at the Auxilia Gallery in Milan. What struck us was not the shape of the furniture itself, but the idea of bold colors, graphic lines, freedom from conventions, and the desire to turn an ordinary object into a true work of art. We brought this mood into our new project, Lifestylecamper. In the kitchen area, we introduced decorative elements inspired by this design language, and the body received a rich blue color that immediately catches the eye and sets the mood even before you open the camper's door. For us, it is very important that the camper is not just a means of travel. It should evoke emotions. This is a space where people spend their weekends, discover new places, gather with the whole family, or set off on the journey of their dreams. And this space should reflect the character of its owner. That is why at Lifestyle Camper, we don't confine design within strict boundaries. For us, there is no such thing as the right or wrong style. There are only ideas that can be brought to life. Some people dream of restrained minimalism, some like warm wooden textures, while others want bright colors, unusual shapes, and bold design solutions. And we are happy to take on such projects. Every camper you see is the result of collaboration with the owner, searching for ideas, materials, colors, and details. We believe that individuality should not end with the choice of configuration. It should be felt in every element, from the color of the body to the interior design. That is why we often draw inspiration not only from the automotive world, but also from modern architecture, furniture design, art, and fashion. Good design knows no boundaries. It travels between different fields and gives birth to new ideas. We want every camper to be unique, so that when people see it, they immediately understand this is a camper with its own story, its own character, and its own style. And perhaps most importantly, our imagination knows no limits. If you have ideas, even the boldest ones, we are ready to think together about how to bring them to life. After all, that's how projects are born, that inspire people to travel, discover the world, and do it beautifully. Because for us, a camper is more than just a vehicle. It's a designer space created just for you. Travel with Lifestyle Camper.